Hi you guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Patience. To my existing subscribers, welcome back. If this is your first time here, be sure to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can continue to indulge in the Haute Bella experience. In today's video, you guys are going to be getting ready with me. So I wanted to put together a look because we're all in the shelter in place mode right now. So I've been working from home, so I really haven't had to put myself together on a daily basis as I normally would. So the thought of doing a video conference or a video happy hour in my current state based upon my shelter in place status is not a good idea. So I wanted to put myself together just a little bit. I didn't want to look too overdone, but just a little something. So I did that today. I put together this really simple look. I only used a couple of shadows on my eyes. I paired it with a nude lip, and I did this new hairstyle, which is a bun in a bag, which is really cute. What do you guys think about this? It is so darling. It's a bun and a bang, and I think it is just absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, I wanted to put this together so while I am participating in my virtual happy hour, I can look absolutely adorable as I am enjoying a nice glass of wine. So if you guys would like to see how I created this look, then keep watching. My face has been moisturized with the Glow Recipe Watermelon Pink Juice Moisturizer. I really like this moisturizer a lot. And I'm going to be trying out one of the items that came in my February BoxyCharm box, and that is the Pure 4-in-1 Correcting Primer. So this primer is supposed to correct and restore the skin's appearance, removing fine lines and texture that's showing in the skin. So we're going to see if that's true. I hope I didn't use too much of this. It has a really pleasant smell. Feels really soothing to the skin as well. This product has aloe, coconut water, and probiotics in it. So feels really good to the skin. I'm gonna get these eyebrows done off camera and I'll be right back. My eyebrows are done and I used my P. Louise eyeshadow base to prep my eyelids. And I am going to use my Freedom System palette from Inglot, and this is a palette that I picked up a couple of years ago from the makeup show, but I love this palette. Anytime that I want to do a quick look, this is my go-to palette because I know all the colors in this Freedom System palette because I picked these colors personally myself, so I know what's in here. I know how the shades are going to show up on my complexion. So for this look, I am going to start off using this shade right here as my brow bone highlight. This shade is like a rose gold champagne type of shimmer shade. So any eyeshadow shade that you have that's close to this color, if you wanted to recreate this simple and easy look, you could use any shimmer shade that you have that has that rose gold champagne type of color to it, and it'll work out perfectly. The next shade I'm going to use is this shade right here. I'm going to use this shade and I'm going to use this all over my lid. But it's a beautiful shade. It's not too much of a dark brown. It's not too orange. It's just perfect. So I'm keeping the concentration of this color mostly on my lid, and then I'm just blending it out as I go further up. And the closer that I get to my brow bone, the lighter I apply pressure with my brush so that doesn't get too dark. I'm going to add my liner and my lashes. My liner and my lashes are done, and I did not do any color correcting today. I did not do any color correcting around my mouth or under my eyes as I normally would. I'm going to go in with my Pat McGrath Labs Skin Fetish Concealer. I'm in the shade M20. I'm going to put this under my eyes as I normally do. Put some around my mouth. And the last time I used this concealer, I was pretty satisfied with the finish of the concealer and also the color of the concealer. So it'll be interesting to see what this looks like without me doing any color correcting. Still see a little bit of darkness here. This area, I'm going to add just a little bit more. Just a little bit right here. And I'm going to use my handy dandy sponge just to blend it in just a little bit more. And now I'm going to use the Pat McGrath Labs Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Blurring Under Eye Powder. This is in the shade Medium. And I'm using a foam wedge to press this into the area that's just under my waterline. I want to make sure that that is nice and set so that when I smoke out my waterline, it doesn't move around on me too much. So I'm placing this powder here first. I'm going in with my regular brush and I am going to set this area up under my eye. And I'm making sure that I take this all the way up under my eye where I used my foam wedge just a second ago, because I don't want to leave that white streak right up under there. So just gently just merging it all together. And I'm placing this powder in all of the areas where I have applied this concealer. I'm going to use a little bit of my MAC Fix Plus to make sure that I add a little bit more moisture into my under eye area where I have used the setting powder. So I'll just spritz it just a bit. And now I'm going to apply my foundation. And since I'm doing this look for my virtual happy hour, I am not going to go through and do any cream contouring or anything like that. I'm just going to go straight in with my foundation. I'm going to use my Tim2 Air with my MAC Face and Body Foundation in the shade C7. I'm going to use this Tim2 Air to apply this foundation, my blush, my bronzer, and my highlight. And now I'm going to add a little blush. And now I'm going to add a little bronzer. I'm going to take my sponge and just blend this in just a little bit more. So as you can see, since I did not do any cream contouring underneath, my cheekbones are showing that they're nice and warm, they're bronzed up really nicely, but there's not a deep contour type of thing going on here. So this is really nice. This is a virtual happy hour, so I want to keep this nice and soft. And now I'm going to add a little highlight. And now I'm going to use my Pat McGrath Labs Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Setting Powder. So I'm going to lightly set this. And now I'm going to smoke out my waterline, and I'm going to use two shades out of this palette. I'm going to go back to this shade right here. This is the shade that I've used all over my lid. I'm going to use that starting from the inner corner, taking it out towards the outer edge of my eye here. And then I'm going to use, I think I'm going to go with this shade right here to take it on out towards the wing part of my eye. I'm going to start with this outer portion here, and I'm just going to stamp this into place and then smoke it on out. And now for my inner corner highlight, I am going to go back into this palette once again, and I'm going to go back to this shade right here. This is the shade that I used as my brow bone highlight, and I'm going to use it as my inner corner highlight. So I'm just going to go right into this shade here. I'm using my little artiste brush here, and I'm going to pop that right there. And now it is time for lips, and I'm going to use this lip pencil from ColourPop. This is in the shade BFF2, and I'm also going to use this liquid lipstick. This liquid lipstick is from Smashbox, and it's in the shade Always On. This came in one of my BoxyCharm boxes. So pretty. And now let's get this hair done. And for my hair today, I'm going to be using the Instant Bun with Bangs from Sensational. This is in the style Ada, and it's in the color number 1. But this is interesting because it's all in one. It's a bun and a bang that's attached. So I'm not sure if you guys have seen this before, but this is pretty neat. And I really am excited to try this out. So this is what it looks like. So this is the bang. And this is the bun. So let's get her on. So I've already got my hair in a little bun here. And this has 2 combs, if you can see those. There's one right here and there's one right here. And then it also has the little drawstring right here. And what I normally do for my drawstring ponytails is I go ahead and I attach a bobby pin to the end of the string here because I know that I'm going to have to wrap that and tuck it in. I'm going to go ahead and get this on. So I'm going to take the 2 combs, stick those into my hair, make sure that my ponytail or my little mini bun up under there fits nicely. And I'm going to pull the little locking mechanism here. And then I'm going to take this string and I am going to wrap this around. Wrap it around ponytail like so. And I've got my bobby pin right here. So all I have to do is just turn this bobby pin inward and slide it in. Just like that. Okay, and then I'm going to take this little comb here. This is the bang. It has a little comb if you can see it here, right there. And I am going to slide that in, clip it down. I gotta have a little small brush here, and I'm gonna take this and just take this around my bun here, just to kind of give it a nice little form. To see what else I may need to do. I may need to add some more bobby pins, but I just want to give it a good shape. So if you guys can see that, I just want to give it a good shape. So it just wraps around. This is so cute. This is cute. All right. I think I'm going to add a few bobby pins to the bun itself for right now, just to kind of hold it down, keep it in, so it keeps the shape that I would like for it to have. Cute, very, very cute. And that feels pretty secure. I got a good shape going on. I like that. And this look is done. Sometimes the best looks can be the most simple of looks. I love the way this look turned out, and I love the new hairstyle. The bun and bang combination is going to be my new friend. This is so cute and flirty, a very, very nice summer look. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.